Hi guys, I'm Wynette and welcome to my channel. This will be my first official video on YouTube and it will be featuring this look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and follow for more videos like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna be priming with my Rimmel Stay Matte primer. This is a very old version, but I haven't finished the bottle yet. Next, I'm going to be brushing out my brows. I'm going to be using a spoolie. And then I'm just going to take a dark brown pencil and outline and fill in my brows. Next, I'm going to be brushing the pencil through my brows. And I'm going to be taking my favorite concealer, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And I'm just going to be using that concealer to clean up my brows as well as to act as a brow bone highlight. I'll be using the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case. Now as a base, I usually use my concealer. However, I like to bring out that red. And so to do that, I'm going to be using a lighter creamy concealer. And I'm just going to put some on my fingertip and blend that out on my eyelid. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and blend the edges of it into that concealer. As a transition shade, I'm going to be using a light brown and I'm going to pack it in, then blend. Next, I'm going to take a deeper brown and I'm just going to add that to the outer corner as well as into the crease. Next, I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and I'm going to use a deeper brown and I'm just going to concentrate that in the outer V and the crease. Then I'm going to blend it out. Next, I'm going to add some black to help to deepen. In order to get ready to add that red, I'm going to pick up a little more of that base and just tap it onto my lid. Now I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take that red shade and pack it onto the lid. And I'm going to be blending that black into the red. And taking it a little bit into the crease. I'm just gonna outline the top of my brow using my foundation. It's the Maybelline Dewy Smooth in the shade Coconut. And move on to the other brow. Pencil in the shade Black, and I'm going to be lining my waterline. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my face and get back to you. You've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and follow.